How do you fix V-Rising is crashing on Steam? So first you'll need to right click on the game in your library, and in the launch options you'll need to add -dx11 command. Now go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up a new browser tab and search for the redistributables, and the link for these is going to be in the description. Scroll down to the second table here and get the 86 installer and the 64, both of these right here. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, you will need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So based on your GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software. And from the drivers section, check for updates and download the latest available update. Next, you'll need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.